Ladies and gentlemen, Apple's battery pack on the latest generation iPhones is now available, but there's a twist. It no longer is a full body case, as it now is just a magnetic attachment for Apple's MagSafe technology they've been integrating on the latest generation iPhone. So if you have an iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, as well as the Pro Max, these devices are compatible. Now, in order to use this, you do have to be on the latest software version update, which is iOS 14.7. And if you're on a beta, it's also compatible. Just not fully compatible just yet, as I'll talk to you more about it in a little bit. So out of the box, really, all you get is, unfortunately, the battery pack. No lightning cable or anything like that. And to add salt to injury, it uses the lightning port to charge. No USB-C, unfortunately. Now, if you're like me, who always likes using like durable cases on your iPhone, like mine, a full body case similar to this, peace of mind, because I don't personally use AppleCare because a case is much cheaper, and I don't like being left out without a phone for a couple hours in case I do damage it and have to take it to the Apple store for repair. Why I'm mentioning this? Because if you use one of these big, large cases, it does stick on, but you just saw, it slides. So if you do rely on a heavy duty case like I do, you're gonna have to place this on a flat surface like so, or be extremely careful when inserting it inside your pocket and taking it out so it could continue charging your device. But I do like, however, that it does have an LED indicator right down here. Now when you charge your device, you can charge it with either of the two ports. You can charge it with your iPhone port or the MagSafe battery pack port. If you charge with a battery pack, it's also going to charge your iPhone, as it does support reverse charging. And then if you charge your iPhone first, it'll prioritize your iPhone, and then it'll slowly start reverse charging the MagSafe, which is really nice. And yes, if you're wondering, you could use this to save your buddies' cell phones. If their phone is about to die and they don't even have an iPhone, you can still technically attach this to charge their devices. And as an added bonus, a benefit I found that I could do yesterday, my AirPods were low on batteries and I didn't have anything to charge them with except for this thing, and I was surprised I was able to actually place my AirPod Pro on top of it and it was actually charging it. So it's pretty neat that I could do that. Now, as I previously mentioned, the texture is soft to touch, but it's not that silicone material. And my concern is, since it's only available in white, over time something tells me scratches and other nicks and marks will become very noticeable, but does feel to be somewhat durable. So in case you do drop it, it doesn't seem like it will cause any internal harm to this unit, as it will just possibly just scrape and such. So that's kind of good. Now the charging rate. Now this does charge your phone at a 5-watt rate, which isn't really anything significant. It's equivalent to the old school wall USB outlet that Apple used to provide. And the overall wattage is just slightly more than what the latest generation iPhone 12 lineups have. So in other words, if you have an iPhone 12 mini, a full charge with this as a backup will be able to charge your device back to 90%. If you have an iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, this should be able to charge it back up to 60 to 70%. And then if you have a beefy iPhone 12 Max, this should be able to deliver up to 50% charge. So it's not gonna fully charge your device. And because of that, I honestly see this more like a backup. And you also gotta keep in mind that wireless Qi charging, not as efficient compared to just plugging it in with a cable with an ordinary battery bank. Now it does support the battery icons widgets on your iPhone. So you can see the exact percentage right here on your device. Now my current device is on the latest iOS 15 developer beta. So my icons is basically just showing a generic UPS. Same goes for the smaller widget. So hopefully in the near future, to the next update of the developer beta, they should resolve this. But after 1 day of usage, it's not really causing me any issues. The only complaint I really have is that it sucks that I have to take off my case in order to use this properly. So I've been rocking my phone like this. And yeah, the magnetic pull and hold is actually pretty strong. It's like, I could literally like shake this non-stop and it's not gonna come off. Although there has been time when I noticed, like a couple of times already, where the bottom part is really easy to move out. So usually when I'm moving around, if I have my device in my pocket and I pull out my phone, sometimes the case does come out like this, which makes it prone to easily fall off. But that hasn't yet happened. But if you really wanted to, I could also do this. They sell these third-party rings that will make a non-compatible MagSafe case compatible. It's a simple magnetic ring that you simply line everything up and just attach to your case. And I'm pretty sure if I do that, it will definitely have a stronger magnetic pull, so I no longer have to worry about that. So if I want to, I can technically use this case and just get that little sticky attachment. I'll have a link to it in the video description down below in case you're curious. All in all, this battery bank to the right person can be definitely useful, but for $100, I'd much rather use a third party or just get an oversized battery bank. But I do like the fact that it's extremely portable and actually adds a good grip to your phone. I may imagine this will allow you to grip your iPhone 12 mini much better and more secure. But for me personally, for this cost, I'd much rather just get an oversized power bank and just continue carrying cables, as that is able to charge my device multiple times. So I don't know, personally I may just end up returning it because of that exact reason. But I know for a fact to the right person, this could be definitely useful, especially during those type of days when you wake up and you notice you forgot to accidentally charge your phone or your phone didn't charge correctly. You go just grab this, attach on your phone and go, and don't have to worry about having a dead phone throughout the entire day. That one will be able to squeeze a little bit more juice out of your device. There you guys have it. That is my hands-on review with the new MagSafe battery pack from Apple. And I do apologize for the construction sound in the background. I can't control that, but one more week and everything should be done. So apologies. Let me know down in the comment section, what's your opinion about it? Is it really an accessory that's a must have for your phone? Or are you just gonna go ahead and pass and just pick up like a third party? As that would make more sense since it's more cost efficient. Anyway, folks, if you enjoyed this type of video, make sure to leave this video a like and get subscribed, especially if you enjoy a lot of tech videos very similar to this. If you're curious what type of light this is, I actually went ahead and covered it over here. And then that video next to that one, that's just a video that YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Thanks so much for watching, take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.